focus on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving centrifuges, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing.
Alright y'all, so I am headed to school. Leaving the house now. It is 10 o'clock. I'm probably not gonna take y'all in school with me. I'll ask the school, and maybe one day when I'm doing a class or something like that, I can dang, that tree fell over. I can actually bring you guys in and like vlog and maybe introduce y'all to the students. Show y'all a real day in the life at school. I'm gonna ask them and see what they say, but I'll pick y'all back up when I get out of school.
If you did listen to the song, oh, then you got to give God all the glory.
Man, what's happening, y'all? I'm back. I'm gonna head to STEM camp, pick up my kids. Miss Monroe, your kids is ready. Oh, okay, I'm on the way. Okay, I'm finna come get them. After I got out of school, I went to pick up my kids from STEM, brought them home. Then I went to prayer, and I just got out of prayer, and so now I'm back home about to wash some dishes.
Do all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the other night. Yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. I still see my life final through my soul, so the star has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars and it's true.
Good morning, good morning. I'm finna head to school, cause I feel like I need a coffee today. I left my V8 juice, I think. Lord, Lord, please let me have put it in my bag. Right, and I did. And y'all, I'm really gonna need that coffee today. I'm really gonna need that coffee today. I don't really feel like going to school today, honestly. I don't.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Alright, y'all, so we did facials today. I was able to show y'all a little bit of that. I'm about to go over to Big Shirley house. So I'm like, we about to, me and you, we about to go over to Big Shirley house. Big Shirley done made some new treats today. So we about to go over there and try her new treats. See if we like them or whatever. Look at that, look at that. What is Shirley?
Homemade banana pudding,
heaven.
Rice Krispie treats.
They are heaven. That's what they is. They are a good dose of heaven on earth. I got heaven right here on earth.
What they is, mama?
Bussin'.
Y'all, I found Pearly Shirley. So y'all, I'm at my mama's house, and I'm with Big Shirley, and I'm with my mama and stuff. And everything. Yeah. Get the camera on my face.
You happy, sister?
Yep. All right, so y'all, we are headed into the bowling alley.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we
to Texas for a family fun day.
If you did listen to the song, oh, then you got to give God all the glory. Oh, run, come run this race. Back in the code, they contemplate. Jesus, not the way. Oh, yeah. You're not gonna have to pay. Everything available, all by His grace. So whenever them ask you, tell them, say, oh, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Tell them I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Hey, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. So blessed.
There's nothing you
This
can
is
do.
a family gathering today. There will be no recording. There will be no recording. I ordered y'all some low-fat water.
Everybody else like to
I'm blessed. Hey, no, no, no.
You will experience all these blessings. Your towns and your fields will be blessed. Your children and your crops will be blessed. The offspring of your herds and flocks will be blessed. Your fruit baskets and breadboards will be blessed. Wherever you...
Oh my God. You can't tell people. You can't tell people what you do too. They wonder why I don't go nowhere with my family. That's why. That's why right here.
You have EBT cards for tips? No, I'm not. I'm thinking EBT, do you know what that is? You're welcome. Play it out. Oh.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind.
Y'all, it is extremely hot today. I'm talking about extremely freaking hot. Like, my phone is about to overheat. Like, well, it's not. I'm gonna speak that it's not about to overheat, but it very well could possibly overheat because it's so hot. My husband just said it's 109, bro. It's hot.
It feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now.
when I tell you that was so much fun. That was so much fun. Man, we really enjoyed ourselves. It is hot. 107. And like I said earlier, it was 109. Bruh. This is why I have to live right. Because, honey, I do not want to go to hell. Because hell is so much harder than this. And I don't got time. I don't got time. I do not have time. So, we are getting ready to head back home. This was a great day. I'm probably going to end the vlog here. But when I tell you, we are going to make this a monthly thing with the family. Like, this was amazing. Truly enjoyed it. So, y'all, see y'all in the next vlog.